Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Very nice, children. So, have you gone through your book what I told you in the last class? That English grammar. Have you practiced, Ayush? Nice. Last class, what we had read, can you remember that one? That was noun. Last class, we had read about noun. What is that noun? Can somebody tell me? Yes, correct. Naming words. Naming words. They are called noun. Names of persons, places, things, birds or animals. Okay, forget about that now. Now I am writing 2 to 3 sentences. You will see what is there, important one. I am writing, just you write in your copies. Seema is a beautiful girl. Seema goes to school every day. Are you writing all? I will check all your copies. Seema goes to school every day. Seema loves to eat good and tasty food. Okay. Seema loves to eat good and tasty food. 3 sentences I have written on the blackboard and 3 different sentences. Can you find out, Shilpi, what is there? New you see? Yes, Dhanush, you can tell me what new thing you are seeing in these 3 sentences? You cannot mark. Okay, fine. Now see, Seema is a beautiful girl. Seema goes to school every day. Seema loves to eat good and tasty food. Here what is different in all the 3 sentences? Seema, Seema, Seema. Seema, that girl is common. Yes or no? Yes. 3 times I have written Seema and telling to write the sentences what I have written on the blackboard. But don't you find anything that is not interesting, means boring? Always I am telling Seema, Seema, Seema. That is not sounding good. Yes or no? Yes. Always I am telling Seema, Seema goes to school, Seema eats food. It is not sounding good. So, what I will do here? Shall I do some change? Yes, I have to make some change, because if I will not change or not write anything in place of Seema, then we cannot hear it or we cannot think that it is right. So, what changes here I am to make? Those changes are known as or are coming under pronoun. Okay, pronoun. So, in your chapter pronoun, you will see that how it is totally different from noun. Here, Sima, 3, but only one girl. So, in place of Sima, I can write she. But here I cannot write in the first sentence, I cannot write she. Why so? Because Sima must be the name and it should come in the first place. But when repeating that Sima, I have to change that here I can write she. Sima is a beautiful girl. She goes to school every day. Then again here I will have to change Sima, writing she. She loves to eat good and tasty food. Clear? Now this she, it is coming under the head pronoun. Okay? Then you have to write what is pronoun. All of you write down what is pronoun. Pronoun are the words pronouns are the words used in place of noun. Okay. Pronouns are the words used in place of noun. Okay. So, how? Write one example. Rita goes to school every day. Okay. Rita goes to school every day. One sentence I have written. I am not to repeat Rita. Then I will write in place of Rita, she reads very well. So, what we mark, children, here? That I have changed Rita and in place of Rita I have written she. That we have seen. That these are the words, pronouns are the words used, which are used in place of nouns. Clear? This is noun, naming word, and here in place of Rita I have written she. So it is clear now? Okay. Now we will see which words will be there under the heading, that is pronoun. Write down the pronoun words. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them, this, that, etc. Many are there. Slowly we will learn the other pronouns, but for the timing I have written I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them, this, that, etc. Okay. Now children, one very important thing that you write in the copy, points to remember. Points to remember. What points? He, this pronoun, it is used for boys, men. Who is a boy? For that it will be, this will be used. Now coming to she. Who can tell where to use she? Yes, correct. Girls and women. Okay. And where to use it then? It will be used anything. Okay, it will be used for anything. That means, see, I am holding one duster. It is what? White in color. It can be used for places, things, animals and bird. Here you can write places, things, animals and birds. So these are the important points: where to use he, where to use she, where to use it. Anything means places, things, animals or birds. Okay. Now clear about what is pronoun and what are the different types of pronouns we are using in the sentence. Now I am to tell you the types of pronouns. There are many types of pronouns. We will read one by one. Today I will tell you about personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. What are personal pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, we, they, etc. Okay. So what are the personal pronouns you see? I, you, he, she, it, we, they, etc. Okay. Now you write down what are the personal pronouns. What do you mean by that? Write down pronouns that stand for I, we, you, they, etc. are called personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Okay. So these are the pronouns that stand for I, we, you, they, etc. They are coming under personal pronouns. Okay. Now we will see again this personal pronoun. Write clearly. I will check your copy after the class, children. Personal pronouns. It is divided into three types. First person, then second person, and third person. Third person. First person, second person, and third person. Here, first person, which are the pronouns which will be coming under first person? That you write I, me, we, us. These are the first person pronouns. I, me, we, us. Then which will come under second person pronoun? That is you. Remember, I, me, we, us. This is coming under first person pronoun. Second person pronoun, that is you. Then what about third person? Third person, he, him, she, her, it, they. Okay, it, they. Now, personal pronouns are three types. First person personal pronoun, second person, then third person. It is clear where to use which pronoun. Slowly, when you will be practicing how to write the sentence, not repeating the noun every time, then we are to use these words which are known as pronoun. Now, your task is you write down that is your homework, children, that you are to do it. First, write down homework. What is pronoun? Okay, what is pronoun? Next, are you writing clearly? What is personal pronoun? Okay, give example of different types of personal pronoun. Give examples of different types of personal pronouns. So, what is pronoun? What is personal pronoun? Give examples of different types of personal pronouns that we have done today. For that, children, you have to go through the book in detail and find out which are what. That means, when we are writing a personal pronouns, what are the different types and which are coming under first person, which are coming under second person, and which are coming under third person. That exact example you have to mention. Any doubt we can discuss in the next class, children. Okay, thank you, children.